Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Melita and I'm not wearing any makeup today, but it's not gonna be needed anyways. So if you follow me on Instagram, you see that I have moved a couple of weeks ago. The apartment is not completely finished yet, but it is kind of a dream apartment for me. It is huge and amazing, and it is not completely done yet, so we still have to get a few more stuff, but I couldn't wait and I needed content anyways for YouTube. So I decided that I'm gonna make a little apartment tour video for you guys, and I actually did that last week and I completely forgot to film an intro for it, so I'm doing it right now before editing the video together. And yeah, so here comes my apartment tour. Enjoy it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I really promise that I am going to make more content. Thank you. Alright, so here you come into the hall. So this is like a tiny hallway. I want to put a mirror to this wall because it's so empty. And here are my stuff hanging. My finger was there. So here are my stuff, like my coats and such. And here we immediately go to the first room, which is going to be a gym. We already have a TV set up there, but I will have to buy like a TV furniture or something like a shelf. Here is my cable machine, and here will come a squat rack with a bench and some more weights. And here is my little home trainer. I want to get some extra mirrors here, and pretty much that's all for the gym area. Watch me never go to the gym again. So it's also quite a big room, more than enough space for everything, so that's quite cool. Then we are still in the hallway, and here we have a toilet. I cleaned today, so I put product there, and here I do have a mirror. So hi there, I don't have makeup on yet, and yeah, hi. So yeah, this is the toilet. I still want to buy some little decorations here, maybe like a little plant or something up there, and that's pretty much all. Then here is the mess for the shoes. I also still want to buy a little shoe closet. Here are my roommates' coats hanging. And then here we have the washing area. So here we have a washing machine, closets for the cleaning supplies, more space for cleaning supplies. There behind we can just store stuff. Yeah. Here I can also hang my clothes to dry, all cleaning supplies, dog foods, the internet, so yeah, pretty cool. And we also then don't have to keep all the mess in one room or in the apartment itself. And now we are entering the apartment. So this is the apartment. That is my dog Diva. She's a 2-year-old American Stafford, and she's a very good girl. Hi, who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Yeah, so 2021 is my manifestations finally manifesting themselves. I don't know. So this corner is an office area. My roommate is quite messy, so we just agreed that he can keep all his mess here. And he doesn't clean up, but we also have a printer there. He smokes, so he can make his cigarettes there. I can also clean it up and work. Yeah, some paintings, decoration, cute little couch, and the dog's bench. She can sleep there. I can also make pictures here. We have really nice lights. I'm gonna turn on the lights so you guys can see everything better. So we have nice lighting, so I can also take nice pictures in this corner. Now we can go to the kitchen part. So this is our kitchen and dining area. Here is for like bigger garbage, dog foodie, heater to open the door. It's my microwave and an oven actually. I really love that we have mirrors right there too. Hi! Actually, there are mirrors everywhere, but I will show you in a bit. So we have a microwave, some more storage space, a lot of storage space, a kitchen island. I mean, come on, I live somewhere and I have a kitchen island, so I have like a lot of space to do meal prep. This is the fridge for downstairs. Here are most of my roommate stuffs. I also sometimes keep like smaller condiments or things like that there. Here are our drinking glasses. The fancy one is my roommate's actually, and the last fancy one, the simple one, is mine. To wash the dishes, we have a dishwasher, sorry Diva. So we have like a dishwasher. As you see, everywhere there is mirrors. Then here is our dining room table. Next to the kitchen island, it's like built in, so it's pretty cool. We have to buy new chairs. We do have a piano. It's my roommate's electric piano actually. And that's why I really love this corner. It looks very cozy. And he actually does know how to play the piano, so that's pretty cool. Then we enter the living room. Here this still have to go, and we still have to buy TV furniture because I didn't buy it. And this is our couch. I lay this on the couch because of the dog. She likes to lay on the couch and I don't want the leather to get ruined. So this is our couch and like living room area. We have big windows. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit sick. No, I do not have corona. So we can open and then we can open the window or like the door. And then we enter to the, like a terrace, like a balcony. This is the living room balcony. You can enter from the other door too. That empty parking spot is actually my roommate's. I don't have a car, but we also have a parking space and nobody can park there. You can also go outside from this door. Right here, and here we have our little lunch set, living room. So this is what it looks like from the other side. As you see, it's a bit messy. The kitchen is nice and clean. We have nice lights, but I turned them off because I'm stupid. So, and then we still do have an upstairs. So let's go upstairs. I need to turn off the lights. Voila. So then we go upstairs. So here is where you go upstairs. We have a nice wooden stairway. And here, I'm not gonna open it, but we do have a very, very big attic. It's actually as big as like the living room. So it's huge. It's great for storage, but it takes ages to get it down like the ladder. So then here we have the shower, bathroom, another toilet. It's like this under the roof. Here are all my roommates' bathroom stuff. Here is me, hi. Here we keep stuff that we both usually use. Here are his stuff. Here mine. Here downstairs he keeps, my roommate keeps his towels. I keep my towels down there, and here like that's more or less like a storage area for things that I have more of, because there are not much shops here. So if I buy skincare products, I just bulk up from them, and here are the skincare that I use a couple of times a week or every day. Female stuff, hair and douche products, and then here are like skincare, toothbrush, more stuff. And now this room I'm not gonna show because it is my roommate's room. So and he's a bit much messier than I am. So Oh my god. His room is disgusting. Like, literally disgusting. Oh my god. Oh my god. Huh. And then here is a bigger balcony from his room. We can both use it actually, but it's from his room. I don't really like to go through here because, yeah, questionable hygiene. And I'm trying not to show the room because it is disgusting. It is really disgusting. Oh my god. It isn't. It would be a nice room, by the way, like a really pretty room. See? Like it looks so cool. But yeah. Okay. And then we're gonna see my room. My room is also not finished yet. I still want to buy new curtains and some extra stuff. But here is my bedroom. Here is more like my vanity area. That's my pyjama. Don't worry about my mess. Here is like vanity area, makeup, mostly makeup, hair stuff and nail stuff. I can also shoot because the ring light is really good, but I also have a ring light right there, so I can take selfies in this corner. And like here are my shoes. That's garbage. I have to throw it away, but we just moved, so excuse that. And that's my closet area. I have my own fridge with all my food in. Those are for the rats, like their cleaning stuff and their foods. That's my little office area. Here I watch TV or something on my laptop. Here are the babies. And here is my view. I literally live in the end of nowhere and I just gotta have to deal with it. I'm gonna show the selfie corner. Wait. So this is the selfie corner. And I think I'm also gonna close the video off by saying thank you so much for watching this video. It wasn't that long, and thank you for supporting me throughout this journey, because a couple of years ago I literally lived in an apartment that was smaller than my bedroom right now, and right now I'm living in a huge house. It's like it's literally been a dream. I love it, and thank you so much. So kisses.